all on my lane, you all on my lane. You ain't overlooked, so get out the way. I gave you the book, I gave you the game. The boy gotta cook, the boy got a flame, Serving in the kitchen like a Nino. Plenty pitching, whipping different flavors like a Bistro. Kick it, dip it, flip it, keep it hunting like a C-note. Switch and keep it pimping every single place that he go. I got it. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Boy, you know the name, get up out the way. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Stay up out the kitchen if you ain't the one that's whipping, huh? Hey, yo, Lathan, man, cook them boys up something real quick, man.
What's going on YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Now today is a follow-up recipe from our previous recipe where we made them homemade extracts. Now today we're going to show you our lime extract, which we're going to strain and put it in a bottle, and then we're going to have a little bit more of the vodka left. So I know I told you guys the lime peels was just a one-time deal, but I'm gonna see if we can stretch it out a little bit more. So I'm gonna add the remaining vodka to the extract and see if I can let it go a little longer after we strain what we needed for that one bottle. And I'm gonna just put that bottle aside because it was finished, and I just want to see if I can reuse those lime zest. So we'll see, and I'll let you know how that turned out. But that is our amazing lime extract, which we'll be using for some amazing recipes in January. Then you see our vanilla extract there. We're just gonna give it a shake. We're not gonna bother that because it's going along perfect. Now this is the star of the dish today. This is our coffee extract, and I got some flavored coffee beans, and they're a caramel macchiato. So this is going to be a caramel macchiato extract. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start this off how we did all our other extracts by adding the coffee beans to the mason jar. Now you can use as many as you'll like, but I want this to be extra concentrated because I want to use these for some amazing cookies, and I want that flavor to go a long way. And we're just going to top that off with that vodka and just fill it all the way up to the top. You're gonna see the beans start to float, but after they sit in there for a couple of days, they'll eventually go to the bottom, and you just want to continue to shake that daily or at least once every 2 days. Just make sure you're constantly shaking it. So we're gonna put that top on extra tight, and then we're gonna give it a little shake. There you go, shaky shake. So we're gonna let that brew for a little while, a couple weeks. And like I said, with the remaining of that vodka, I just went ahead and put it in there with the lime the lime zest to see if we can stretch that lime extract. And you know, there we have all our extracts. We got the lime extract, we got the coffee extract with the caramel macchiato extract, and now also we got the vanilla extract. I know it's a quick video today, but I wanted to go ahead and get you guys started on these extracts, because when we start using them in videos, I want you to already have them. And it's gonna take a couple weeks to brew. So there you go. We're gonna just set them out, and I want to thank you guys for tuning in to the video today. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm out.